Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Vitesse Farm. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So in today's video we'll be talking about biosecurity in poultry farming. Biosecurity is very essential and important in poultry farming. So in today's video we'll be talking about biosecurity, the definition of biosecurity, the ways in which disease can enter into the poultry farm, and some of the steps in order to improve biosecurity. And lastly, we still talk about the importance or the benefits of biosecurity in poultry farming. So let's move to the first question. What is biosecurity in poultry farming? Biosecurity means the principle and the procedure in which a farmer takes in order to prevent disease from entering into the poultry house. They are the steps, the ways, and the directives in which a farmer takes in order to prevent diseases from entering into the poultry house. Biosecurity is very important in poultry farming. So, what are some of the ways in which disease enter into the poultry farm? There are many ways in which disease can enter into the poultry farm. Disease can enter into the poultry farm through poultry equipment such as contaminated feeder and drinker. Disease can enter into the poultry house through rodents, wild birds, and other rodents. Disease can enter into the poultry house through people entering into your poultry house, because when somebody moves from one poultry house to another, they can carry disease from other poultry house to your own. Through vehicle conveying your poultry material, vehicle too can carry disease to your poultry house. There are many ways in which disease can enter into a poultry house. So what are some of the steps to improve biosecurity in poultry farming? As we have earlier said, biosecurity is very important in poultry farming. So what are some of the steps to improve biosecurity in poultry farming? We have 6 steps here. Number 1, create a barrier to the entry of people and vehicle. This step is very important because it helps to prevent disease from poultry farm. As we have earlier said, when somebody moves from one poultry house to another, that person can carry disease from other poultry house into his or her own poultry house. So before somebody enter your poultry house, you need to disinfect that person, sanitize that person with strong disinfectant before he entered into your poultry house. What about vehicle coming into the poultry house carrying poultry material? The vehicle need to be disinfected or sanitized before entering into the poultry house. Another step to improve biosecurity is change outer clothes or footwear when leaving or entering into the poultry house. This step too is very important. If you want to enter your poultry house, don't use the shirt you use while in the road, but you need to change up to your poultry shirt, because those shirts you use in the road might carry disease, so you need to change. So when leaving your poultry house, you equally need to change. So that step is very important. What about footwear? You need to change your footwear before entering. And when entering into your poultry, you need to disinfect yourself before entering into the poultry house. Another step to improve biosecurity in poultry farming is quarantining newly introduced birds or returning birds. This step too is very important in poultry farming. So when you are bringing in new birds, don't mix it with your flock. Sometimes there might be carrier of disease, so you need to quarantine them for some time, including returning birds. Clean and disinfect your poultry house thoroughly. This step too is very important. This step, in fact, it helps to prevent disease from entering into your poultry house. So before bringing in new birds into your poultry house, you need to disinfect the house. You need to clean it thoroughly. before bringing in your new bird, so that they will enjoy the environment and they will not carry disease. Then the fifth step is provide clean water and feed for your poultry bed. If you know that the water you are giving to your bed, it is not good to drink, don't give that water to your bed, because a contaminated water can affect the bed badly. What about feed? Don't give your bed contaminated feed. Give your bed trusted feed in order to enhance their growth and help them to be very healthy. The last step is avoid wild birds and rodents. Rodents and wild birds are the carrier of some of these dangerous diseases in poultry. So when you are making your poultry house, let it be wild bird and rodent proof. Any hole in your poultry house, you need to block it so that something like rats will not come inside, because rat can transfer disease to your poultry through their dropping. When they drop their pot into your poultry house, they can infect your bed. So don't allow rodent or wild bird to come into your poultry house. When you follow this step, you will really be happy in your poultry farming, and you will have high productivity in your poultry farming. So what is the benefit or importance of biosecurity? As you have earlier said, prevention is better than cure. When you apply this biosecurity step, you'll be the one that will gain most. Some of the benefit is it will save cost. The money you use in buying drugs when your birds are affected, you will save that money for yourself. Another importance is that you will have high productivity. Your birds will be healthy. You will not have too much mortality, and your farm will be progressing. So biosecurity is very important in poultry farming. A poultry farmer needs to implement biosecurity in his poultry house, because there's a saying that says prevention is better than cure. So implement biosecurity in your poultry farm. This will really help you a lot. Thanks for staying with me to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Continue to watch my video, share, like, comment. If you have any question, drop the question in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.